flat on the night. He's made 5 changes for this evening. Fawaz Basadine is back from suspension. In at left back, Janino Palace into the midfield. Counter to Richards Bay. A rare defeat for a side who've been in impressive form this season, but despite that defeat, just a single change of the current coaches in the top flight of South African football. So we're underway. Fairly small crowd here tonight. We did hear that they'd sold around about 4,000 tickets this season. Toure. That's a good cross. Titus on goal. It comes off Nikani, and Stellenbosch have the lead. He can't claim it.
Positive Bark has allowed them the freedom as long as the shape is kept by them. Look at this instance. Titus is the most central one, and Nku and De Jong are on the side. That's the freedom that is given to the team.
Good work from Jabara. Finds De Jong in the area. They're 2 in the middle. They're queuing up here. Good save from Sapunga. What can be given in that situation? Just bounces back there. The hand on the ground is against Mkaki is what now back live with Titus. Good save, Sapunga. Polokwane now looks for Titus, gets the flick on here for Nku. Titus, is he onside? That's a good save from Sapunga. The flag stayed down. Getting stuck in there. Here's Polokwane now, dragging it back. Titus! 2-0. Number 9 of the season for Devon Titus. And with the national team coach in the house, you can see why he's happy. 1-1 in the end, got rid of it. But lovely little ball in, and excellent run as well from Devon Titus. And had he struck that a little firmer, Polokwane have looked dangerous on occasion, but certainly have a mountain to climb now, and there are several of them in the background here at the Dani Craven Stadium.
I'm interested in the distance that De Jong covers, because the work that he does.
Here's Barnes now. Chance for Basadine. Oh, it is saved by Sapunga.
But he got on target earlier on.
It was Barnes who played it across here. Not the best of crosses, but 4 minutes have been played. Alfred Chabani looks at his watch. He says that's it for this Nedbank Cup tie. And Stellenbosch move on to the quarterfinals.
Watch DSTV Compact.